Hello, I'm Tim Clank with MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center here in Elkhart, Indiana. And today we've got a 2014 Renegade Super Class A, and we call it the Big Rig. And this is another racer customer, and we did the upper mount awnings on this coach, front and back fairings on the coach. We did full porcelain floors on the inside, changes of some cabinetry designs, countertops, backsplashes. Did I say porcelain floors? All maintenance on the chassis, front to back. Had a rear leaking wheel seal as well. We did a Aqua-Hot heating system on this coach. So many services that the customer really just wanted to get done so they could enjoy their coach. Oh, also, we did a step slide. Never done on any Renegade coach. So traveling down the road, they didn't want their doggy to fall down the walkway or fall down in the stairwell. So we actually integrated in a step slide. There's not another Renegade that's designed that way. We did that as well. So as we are America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, renovation, and integration specialist here in Elkhart, Indiana, we've got you covered. We keep you on the road. We customize your coaches. We fix your coaches so you can enjoy the lifestyle. So on this Renegade coach, it's a 2014. I talked to you about all the other upgrades that we did all the way around. One thing that is truly spectacular for this coach, they do often drive at night, basically going from Michigan area back, and one of their main things is they can't see. So we actually took this complete Freightliner coach, and we've got our true LED projector headlights. If you look at these lights, they are extraordinary. There's nobody that makes these headlights. We custom build these lights in-house to work with the RV industry, as we do so many other RVs as well. These lights are more than twice as bright as the lights that came with the coach. So you're talking over 1,000 lumens in seeing power. So if you have trouble seeing at night and you want to get the ultimate solution, this is not like your standard drop-in LED bulbs that are prone to failures. This is a true European design LED projector light driver in the unit. Come to MasterTech. We are America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center.